One day, Thomas was at the junction when Gordon shuffled in with some trucks.
Woo! What a funny smell. Can you smell a smell?
No, I can't smell a smell, Thomas.
Oh, no, I can't smell a smell, Thomas.
Funny musty sort of smell.
No one noticed it till you did. It must be yours.
Not long ago, Gordon had fallen into a dirty ditch. He knew that Thomas was teasing him about it.
Annie, Clarabelle, do you know what I think it is? It's ditch water.
Gordon didn't have time to answer as Thomas was soon coupled to Annie and Clarabelle, and then he puffed quickly away. Annie and Clarabelle could hardly believe their ears.
You mustn't be rude. You make us ashamed.
Oh, you mustn't be rude. You make us ashamed.
That was funny.
He chuckled, feeling very pleased with himself. Thomas left the coaches at the station and went off to a mine for some trucks. Long ago, miners digging for lead had made tunnels under the ground. The tunnel roofs were strong enough to hold trucks, but they could not take the weight of the heavy engines. A large notice said, "Danger, engines must not pass this point."
Silly old board.
He had often tried to pass the sign before, but had never succeeded. The driver stopped him, and the fireman went to turn the points.
Now for my plan.
And he bumped the trucks fiercely, jerking the driver off the footplate.
Come back!
Iron smoke! I'm sunk!
And he was. Thomas could just see out of the hole, but he couldn't move.
Oh dear. I am a silly engine.
Very naughty one, too. I saw you.
Please get me out. I won't do it again.
I'm not so sure. We can't lift you out with a crane. The ground's not firm enough. Let me see. I wonder if Gordon could pull you out.
Yes, sir.
He didn't want to see Gordon just yet.
Don't mind, Izzy. Ha ha ha! What a joke. Poop poop. Little Thomas, we'll have you out in a couple of puffs.
Men fastened strong cables between Gordon and Thomas.
Are you ready? Heave!
But they didn't pull Thomas out in 2 puffs. It was a lot harder than they had all thought. Gordon worked hard, but it took a long time to finally pull Thomas out of the hole.
I'm sorry I was cheeky.
That's all right, Thomas. You made me laugh. I'm in disgrace.
So am I.
Why so, Thomas? Shall we form an alliance? You help me, and I help you.
Right you are.
And buffer to buffer, the 2 friends puffed home.